In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design food poster in Canva. We'll be using Canva's built-in templates to make the process quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. This is a great option if you want a professional-looking poster without having to design everything from scratch. First, go to Canva and make sure you're on the main website. Once you're there, look for the templates section. This is where Canva organizes ready-made designs for different needs, including posters, social media graphics, flyers, and more. Using a template is especially helpful for food posters because the layouts are already designed to highlight images, pricing, headlines, and promotional text in a visually appealing way. After you open templates, use the search bar and type in food poster. This will bring up a collection of poster designs related to restaurants, menus, food promotions, and special offers. Take a moment to browse through the results and look for a style that fits the kind of food or brand you want to showcase. For example, some templates look modern and minimal, while others are colorful, bold, or more elegant. Choosing the right visual style at this stage will make the rest of the editing process much easier. Once you find a design you like, select the template. This opens up the preview so you can get a better look at the layout. Pay attention to the placement of the title, food image, supporting text, and any call to action areas. Even if the colors or wording are not exactly what you need, focus on whether the structure works for your poster. Next, click on Customize this template. This will open the design in the Canva editor, where you can begin making changes. Inside the editor, you can edit the template by replacing the existing text with your own content, adjusting colors to match your brand or food theme, and updating the images if needed. Try to keep the design clean and readable, especially if the poster is meant to be printed or viewed from a distance. Large headings, high-quality food photos, and strong contrast between text and background usually work best. As you edit, make sure the most important information stands out first. Your food name, offer, or main message should catch attention immediately. Then supporting details can guide the viewer through the rest of the poster. Canva makes it easy to click on any element and change it, so take your time refining the design until it feels polished and balanced. And that's how to design a food poster in Canva using a template.